Definition of quality. Quality, from Griffin points of view, means the totality of features and characteristics of a product or service that bear on its ability to satisfy state or implied needs. From Smith's point of view, quality means the performance standard expected by the customers.
There are 8 dimensions of quality, meaning that whenever we want to see whether the product or the services have the quality, we will see through these 8 dimensions. The first dimensions of quality is performance of the product. Performance is a product primary characteristic. For example, when we buy a TV, picture clarity is the important features so that we can see picture clearly in TV. The second one is reliability. Reliability reflects the probability of functioning during a specific period. Usually, all products will have warranty. If the product is broke down during the warranty, we can always submit to the supplier to bring it back in. Next is durability. Durability is a measure of product life. Usually, we will say that the product have the quality if it is able to function such in a long time. For example, when we buy a fridge and it able to live through the life, for example, more than 10 years. Since it's durable in such a long time, so it's a very good product. Other than that is perceived quality. Perceived quality usually is seen by customer. We all know that everyone have their different tastes on product. For example, an individual thinks Panasonic is have good quality. It is because while using the product, the individual has good experience with the product. So, the individual will consider the product have the best quality.
Number 5 is feature. Feature is those additional characteristics that supplement to a product basic function. For example, include free drinks on a plane or car power windows for automobile. Number 6 is conformance. Conformance is the degree to which a product design and operating characteristic meet established standard or specification compliance. Number 7 is serviceability. Serviceability is referred to speed, courtesy, competence, and ease of repair. Consumers are concerned not only about a product breaking down, but also about the time before service is restored. Number 8 is aesthetic. Aesthetic is defined as how product looks, feels, tastes, and smells. It is about personal judgment and a reflection of individual preference. Nevertheless, there appear to be some pattern in consumers' ranking of product based on taste. For example, food industry found that high quality was most often related to taste natural, taste fresh, good aroma, and look appetizing.
Griffin says, TQM is a strategic commitment by top management to make quality a guiding factor in everything it does. TQM creating an organizational culture committed to the continuous improvement of skills, teamwork, processes, product and service quality, and consumer satisfaction.
Principles of TQM. First and foremost is customer-driven standards. Organizational sustainability depends on the customer who buys the organization's product or use the organization's service. To ensure that products or services meet customer needs and expectations, the term customer is always right must be considered by the organization. There are 2 types of customer. First one is internal customer. Internal customer refers to employees who get the work direction from managers. The second one is external customer. It is a person who buy or use the organization's products or services.
Number 2, do it right the first time, every time. By doing it right the first time, defects and waste can be prevented from operations. Moreover, it is less expensive than the cost of detecting and correcting procedures where reparation, reworks, or replacement is needed.
The third one is make continuous improvement a way of life. This principle used to provide superior customer value and meet customer needs. There are two ways to meet these principles' expectation. First one is benchmarking. Benchmarking is a tool to coordinate organizations in practicing TQM. Another one is called Kaizen, which means change for the better or continuous improvement. Kaizen is known as Japanese business philosophy and can be understood as process that involves all employees and improve operations continuously.
Last but not least, build teamwork and empowerment. Management must give the commitment to ensure the effectiveness of TQM. Managers from all levels must act as coaches to other teams. TQM can be effective when employees perform well and are supported by management. Managers must understand how to motivate employees to involve in the work process and can achieve work improvement. Managers also can empower employees by providing proper reward and recognition. A fishbone diagram takes its name from the fact it resembles the shape of a fish skeleton. The fishbone diagram is the relationship between some effect and all the possible causes. The effect or problem is stated on the right side of the chart and the major influences or causes are listed on the left. For every effect, there are likely to be several major categories of causes. For example, the major causes could be manpower, which is people, methods, materials, machinery, and others. After identifying the major cause, for each cause, provide details on why this major cause happens.
Benchmarking is a process of comparing one's own products, services, or processes against those of industry leaders. It also involves a process of finding the best available product features, processes, and services. An organization uses them as a standard for improving a company's own products, processes, and services. There are three types of benchmarking. First, competitive benchmarking. Competitive benchmarking is studying products, processes, or business performance of competitors in the same industry in the aspects of pricing, quality, and technical features. Secondly, process benchmarking. Process benchmarking is studying the aspects of distribution, order entry, or employee training. It compares companies across any industry. Lastly, strategic benchmarking. Strategic benchmarking is how a company competes and seeks the winning strategies that have proven to bring successes.